Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. We are into the most beautiful and blessed month of Ramadan. The fact that we are able to witness this month is already a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and a blessing from Him. And it also expresses that He would like us to be a part of the dwellers of Jannah. Fasting itself is a very pure and obedient act by a Muslim. Fasting is also so important that a hadith from Sahih al-Bukhari, book 54, hadith 479, expresses its importance. It was narrated by Sahil bin Sa'd. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Paradise has 8 gates, and one of them is called ar-raiyan, through which none will enter but those who observe fasting." The Prophet ﷺ also said, if a person spends 2 different kinds of something for Allah's cause, he will be called from the gates of paradise. Jazakallah.